A few days ago I made a video and I did a little teaser. Nobody guessed what I was doing. I guess I don't do my teasers with enough tease. I teased with this big, I don't know, 30 inch solid nose bar, extra large mount, and nobody guessed what I was doing. So here we are unboxing the chainsaw that goes to this bar. There's the first indicator. What does that go to? Might have seen the label. And there it is. The Chinese copy of the Stihl model 070. This model, along with the 090, is arguably one of the most heavy-duty, even now sought-after chainsaws. On YouTube, there's only a couple guys that actually have these that I have seen. And what I'm seeing, I think shipping did pretty good. Got the muffler there. Scratching up the table. Outboard clutch. You got your oiler. With your extra you hear that? You're on and you're off. That should almost be switched, huh? I guess you don't want to be hitting it. On and off. there's my first startup of the Chinese Stihl 070. A couple little bugs about it. The on-off switch won't kill it, so maybe some rewiring. Have to hit the choke lever, pull the choke lever to kill it. Right here, there were two pieces up in there, and I don't know if they just ship them like this, but lo and behold, they do match up. So I think I'm going to just do a little crimping right on there. Not too much. I'm with my trusty charge. There we go. Sounds awesome, doesn't it? So let me know what you think. Post your comments, like and subscribe. I know a lot of people hate these saws, but I'll see what I can do with it. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna mill with it. I'm gonna cut with it. I'm gonna do everything I can with it. So let me know what you think. Have a wonderful afternoon. Adios.